Lokma Archbishop Odama John Baptist Kawachine ni kile iti lego ni kuch kima omete kin wan metun kumala me Uganda no wenga choli lao ki lugwara ya ruwa ki lu ine bibe kawacho Lokman ikarma enti katelo lega iu i gene i Kampala Archbishop waje Lokma da part waje kameleng ni I mapia independence towards independence nyonge independence ada daini Karawa anyway, when you coco, Berican, a chuli kilao, a chuli kalu, a chuli kilo guara, menoni, kumbedi all you pay, eto, waiting a footy can ping, so Archbishop Tipo, we want a igno name, ma peer attack, dog one way chill, one way to command, may Uganda, and so, lock more can ping any, Matian, and they make it work a bit, Chan.
Kiwachini, the greatest gift to live a happy life is to love. The Bible, wajani love your neighbors like you love yourself. Bible, wajani don't do to others what you would not want to be done on you. All this is preaching love. All this is preaching unity. And all this is preaching well-being. Beruwa mabe, beru kema, mane maru ngarmo kan mati ngeri, mo beru karachiel. Kine loka Archbishop kumedi. Wajani noni dano poke. Actually, mo kono angina da degla when kono east actually west actually.
Angina na winye deg iya.
No dongu pokayo. Munya actually mu akikit gum actually mu akigulu. But the issue is one way actually. And chaka munyi ngarmo chaka loko loke one east actually to nena mera na to aw. Kirika is a very good discussion. I don't want to talk on regional issues. Genangena logo on behalf of actually. Kumedima beri an pangeni kono actually makwe. Anati actually. Atoma anati actually. Full stop. And for me, I am not concerned. That's the first thing my bishop tell me. Luentika time economy one east actually, west actually. Ke dog benenone actually mati tung chok ke lao. Ajuri ano me no dongo rateo ajuri tung omorne. Inone nuchuneti actually nuchupa te tung kujatingo te lao. At the same time, they are also conflicting. Langi bena ke biro gitika conflicting. Kechere West Nile benenone West Nile magu bordering actually bene getika conflicting. Almost the whole of the region, the northern region, is conflicting. Enti wachini mirungeni one way aki gina kiloni greater northern Uganda. One way di, one way chill. Miruwati uchalu dana chill, regardless of our ethnicity, regardless of our religion, regardless of where we come from.
And you know, Pat, we are stronger together. And lemor wai kumane kawatika chelo no dak we are strong wacha ka kan wan wen walu TV en nye tio kamaleng ni wan wen walu so gwara ka chelo ne walo ko le duata raj no ti lo ko le lu adong no ti lo ko le lao wan no ti lo ko le ba chuli wan wen walu ma ki goro keto chingwa ka chelo ye buter wa nyim kira Archbishop ti wachane
atamani teach karachiel miro chak with genwa kilone regional integration ni lutela mapat party miro kwangu konywa mi biro karachiel Emma I've had a chance me loki actually parliamentary group chairman mamegi watika lijele kumene minongo la parliamentary group wa miro chara nyimu wa konong jomati tororo for our brothers magiloko jopadola wa aki kuno wa miro chara rua wa aki kuno wadugi I Navy ya Lur sub region piem Kenero ya Lur sub-region, for them they okay. PM geno wengiti under West Nile. May no chuako teke de karo pakwache ndong nami. Bam geno weng gitio under one association. Dongo ma pera tek, gena pera tek yeni winye kerwate kelo ma kelo don lobo where one will benefiting. Kadongwati luenke ken. Our children will never see the fruits of our work. We need to work together.